There, so that's orange. Is that orange?
That's orange.
Okay, so rotate the top layer, which is the white side, the side that has the white center, so that it lines up with both the white and the orange. So one of the center pieces is orange, like that one, but on the other side.
Rotate this way?
Yeah, so rotate that, exactly, towards the orange side.
Towards the orange side.
There it is. Bang! You've got one piece in place. There's one, two. There's another one. There's a white and red one that your right thumb is near. There it is, white and red.
Mm-hmm.
No, the one that's red to the left of the screen. That one, right in the center of the screen right now, the white and red one. Down, rotate 90 degrees forward and you'll see it. Your left thumb is touching it right now. There it is. To the left of that, there. The one that's white and red.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. So that one, the white needs to get up towards the white side. So, but first let's make it touch the red. So take the face that's facing the camera, rotate it 180 degrees.
This one?
Yes. So rotate that layer 180 degrees. No, rotate the whole thing back, and then twist that layer. Not the whole cube, just that layer. Rotate it 180 degrees.
This layer right here?
Yes. Awesome. So there's one more, and that's the white and blue, and it's somewhere. Now that's the corner piece, so we need a middle piece that's white blue. There it is.
Okay.
So rotate the bottom until blue, so the one that your thumbs is on. Twist that layer until the blue, no, not that. The layer that's facing you, that one, until the blue side of that white piece faces the blue center. So 180 degrees. Bang. Now face the blue towards you, the blue center, and rotate at 180 degrees. And
towards the camera or towards me?
The one that's toward, your thumbs are touching right now, and now it's towards the camera. Rotate that layer, twist that layer 180 degrees. Now look again at the white center layer. There, now we have the cross. Now the goal will be to get the corners. Go ahead and rotate the entire thing this way. Now, turn it one more time that way. And one more time. There we go. Now, turn it this way. So that follow me. Keep going.
With the whole cube?
Take the entire thing, rotate that. We're going with this view. If you pick it up and look at this piece here, you'll see what we need there is an edge piece that is green and red. So down here somewhere is an edge piece that's green and red. It must be this one. There it is. So rotate that whole slice, that layer, until the green matches the green. There it is. How we're going to do this is rotate the bottom layer counterclockwise like this. Now, rotate this layer counterclockwise like that. Nope, just the far layer counterclockwise. Now rotate the bottom layer clockwise and the right layer clockwise. Now rotate the face, this face here on top, clockwise. Nope, clockwise. What's the color over here? That's orange-green. So find the orange-green piece down here. It'll be one of those 4 edge pieces on the yellow side. There it is. Orange-green. So it's already on the green. So rotate this entire thing so that the green is facing you, this, and rotate it a little bit like that. Now, we're going to put this piece there. So take this side, rotate it 90 degrees like this. Nope, the other way, like this. So that, there. Now, this side, rotate it 90 degrees that way.
This one right here?
Yes. That one rotate like this. Now, the bottom, rotate 90 degrees this way. This side, rotate 90 degrees that way. Now, take the face, the bottom, rotate it 90 degrees this way. Nope, the other way. And the top face, rotate it 90 degrees this way. And the bottom, rotate it 90 degrees that way. And then the front face, rotate 90 degrees this way.